Keeping a sourdough starter happy can be a challenge. A little too hot, a little too cold. It can be a real guessing game as to what makes it happy. But ever since I got the Broden Taylor sourdough home, it's been much easier for me. Because for me, my fridge was always too cold for my culture. And this just lets me keep my starter right at 55 degrees, which seems to be the sweet spot for it. Now, when I'm ready to bake, I can warm it up to 76 degrees F, and I'll have a nice bubbly starter in no time. Now, this thing's small, but it fits exactly what I need. My large jar of starter, and sometimes a second smaller one, or even I've got four even smaller ones in it right now. Plus, you can use it as a proofer for dough, which I think is a huge bonus. Now, one of my favorite things is how I can put my starter to sleep. I can put it to sleep for a week or two by putting it at 45 degrees F when I just need a break or go on vacation. Then when it's time to get started again, I warm it up and we get right back into action. Now, I'm not the only one who loves this darn thing. Recently, I read a review from someone with a 200-year-old starter who said it's been a game changer for them too. So I gotta say, this thing even looks nice on the counter too. Seeing it there reminds me to check in on my starter, get baking. Now, if sourdough has been a struggle for you, this little thing just might make life a lot easier and better. For me, this thing's been a definite keeper.